It is the early 1970s in Venice Beach, and the sun has not even crested the horizon yet. Inside the wood-paneled walls of Gold's Gym, you hear the rhythmic clanking of iron plates that sound exactly like a factory floor. Arnold is already there, lifting weights that would crush an ordinary man while his peers are still asleep. But the real secret to his legendary physical foundation was not just the heavy iron. It was what he poured into his blender immediately after the weight stopped moving. While modern fitness culture is obsessed with chemical powders and artificial recovery drinks, Arnold was relying on a profoundly simple mixture that modern science is only now catching up to. The ingredients sitting in his daily shake hold the exact biological keys that aging muscle desperately needs today. Prepare yourself to discover the forgotten liquid powerhouse that built a legend. This is a recipe that finishes with a secret addition that changes everything. Number 5. The Recovery Flush, Tart Cherry Juice Base. The foundation of this legendary shake begins with a deep red liquid that most people would never associate with heavy physical training. This liquid is the tart cherry juice that Arnold used as the base of his morning drink back in the golden era of bodybuilding. Arnold and his training partner, Franco Columbu, would push their bodies to the absolute limit long before the rest of the world woke up. While other lifters were mixing their crude supplements with tap water or whole milk, Arnold was instinctively reaching for something that modern sports science has since confirmed was decades ahead of its time. He did not know the molecular science behind it back then. He only knew that it worked, and that it allowed him to return to the gym the very next day without crippling soreness. Today we have the clinical data to explain exactly why this matters so much for you. Tart cherry juice is one of the most rigorously researched natural recovery drinks available to anyone. It contains potent natural compounds that actively neutralize the deep muscle soreness that typically sets in 24 to 48 hours after hard physical exertion. For seniors trying to stay active, this delayed onset muscle soreness is exactly what keeps older adults off their feet for days at a time. Soreness is the primary reason that millions of seniors abandon their exercise routines shortly after starting them. Researchers at the Oregon Health and Science University Department of Medicine found that tart cherry juice significantly reduces muscle pain and accelerates recovery during intense physical activity. Their randomized controlled trial demonstrated that the active compounds in the juice lower inflammatory markers and speed up the repair of damaged tissue. Tart cherry juice also promotes the natural production of melatonin, which is a hormone that regulates deep sleep. Your body performs almost its entire critical muscle repair during deep sleep cycles. By combining inflammation reduction with enhanced sleep quality, this juice creates an ideal biological environment for aging tissue to heal. Arnold relied on this exact mechanism to sustain his legendary training volume. Seniors who use tart cherry juice today can experience that same accelerated recovery without needing a pharmacy. You just pour 8 ounces of this tart cherry juice into your blender as the foundational layer. If this is already surprising you, smash that like button and subscribe. Now tell us in the comments what you currently drink after your daily walk or workout. Let us keep going with number 4. Number 4. The Cramp Crusher, the whole ripe banana. Arnold never walked onto the gym floor without having a banana resting nearby on the wooden benches. It was a permanent fixture sitting right next to the heavy leather training belts and the dusty chalk bags of the 1970s. This brings us to the whole ripe banana, which is the solid component that he dropped directly into his morning shake. This one simple piece of fruit was solving a biological problem that currently stops millions of seniors from staying active. In those early days, Arnold was training his muscles twice a day in grueling morning and evening sessions. His massive muscle fibers needed a fast and reliable source of fuel and electrolytes to bridge the gap between those intense workouts. A heavily spotted and ripe banana delivers natural fruit sugars that give aging muscles immediate and highly usable energy. More importantly, it delivers a massive dose of dietary potassium, which is an essential mineral that regulates the electrical signals inside your body. These electrical signals are exactly what tell your muscles when to safely contract and when to properly release. When your potassium levels drop too low, your muscles begin to misfire and create severe mechanical problems. They cramp violently in the middle of the night, they fatigue far too early during a simple walk, and they take significantly longer to recover their strength. For seniors who experience sudden leg cramps or who tire out quickly during basic daily tasks, low potassium is almost always the hidden culprit. Arnold certainly did not understand the cellular electrophysiology behind this process in 1970. His intuitive physical sense simply recognized that when he ate the banana, the cramps vanished and his energy remained perfectly stable. He kept that whole banana in every single daily shake for years without ever questioning the science. Today, researchers at the University of California Davis Department of Nutrition have validated his exact approach. Their metabolic studies confirm that bananas are highly effective at maintaining energy levels and preventing muscular exhaustion during exercise when compared to simple processed sugars. For seniors, dropping a whole ripe banana into the blender provides the exact electrolyte balance needed to prevent muscle spasms. It ensures that your nervous system can communicate clearly with your muscle tissue during any physical activity. It provides a sweet and creamy texture to the shake while quietly acting as a powerful mineral supplement. You must wait until the peel is heavily spotted with brown marks, because that indicates the starches have fully converted into easily digestible sugars. Your digestive system will process the ripe fruit much faster and send those crucial electrolytes straight into your bloodstream where they belong. We must now move to the hormonal engine of the shake. Number 3. The hormone vault, the whole egg synergy. Raw whole eggs were an absolute non-negotiable part of this historical shake at a time when the world was becoming terrified of dietary cholesterol. Arnold insisted on including the yolk, which is the golden center that mainstream nutrition authorities were actively telling everyone to throw into the garbage. We must understand why Arnold ignored that misguided dietary advice and why the whole egg turned out to be the medically correct choice. Arnold grew up in the rural farming village of Thal in Austria, where eggs were respected as a complete and precious whole food. In that harsh agricultural environment, absolutely nothing was ever wasted, and the rich yolk was prized as the most valuable part of the animal. That traditional Austrian farm instinct perfectly aligns with what we now know about preserving aging muscle tissue. The egg yolk contains critical, healthy fats and highly specific biological compounds that help the human body produce and regulate its own hormones. This hormone production is absolutely essential for seniors who are fighting to maintain their physical strength and muscle mass after the age of 55. Research has completely overturned the old fears regarding the incredible whole egg. Researchers at the University of Illinois, at Urbana-Champaign Department of Kinesiology, confirmed that eating whole eggs promotes a significantly greater stimulation of muscle protein synthesis. Their clinical trials demonstrated that men who consume the whole egg after exercise build considerably more muscle tissue than those who consume the exact same amount of protein from egg whites alone. The nutrient-dense yolk actually contains the specific signaling molecules that activate the muscle-building process much more completely. For seniors who are already facing a natural hormonal decline that works against their muscle retention, this is a massive biological advantage. The whole egg is not simply a cheap source of basic protein for your diet. It is a complex hormonal support food that costs mere pennies at the grocery store, but delivers profound cellular benefits. Seniors should always use pasteurized liquid whole eggs to safely eliminate the modern risk of salmonella while capturing all of the nutritional power. You simply pour these safe pasteurized eggs right into the blender on top of your tart cherry juice and your ripe banana. This creates a rich and deeply nourishing biological environment that supports testosterone and growth hormone production naturally. You are feeding your endocrine system the exact raw materials it requires to keep your body strong and resilient. We now arrive at the core biological engine of the shake. Number 2. The anabolic trigger, 1970s whey protein powder. This specific ingredient is what transforms a healthy smoothie into a genuine muscle-building tool. Back in the early 1970s, whey protein powder was not the highly polished and artificially flavored commercial product that you see in modern supermarkets. It was a raw and slightly grainy powder that was quietly sold out of the back rooms of obscure health food stores along Venice Beach. Arnold was one of the very few dedicated athletes who was actively using this crude supplement to force his body to adapt and grow. We must examine what whey protein actually accomplishes inside the human body and why it remains the most rigorously studied muscle-building protein on Earth. Whey protein is naturally absorbed into the human digestive tract and bloodstream faster than any other common dietary protein source available. It is uniquely packed with a heavy concentration of leucine, which is the exact amino acid that acts as the primary ignition switch for new muscle growth. When this crucial amino acid floods your system, it actively signals your cellular machinery to begin repairing and expanding your muscle fibers immediately. For adults who are over the age of 55, this specific mechanism matters far more than it does for younger individuals. Aging muscles naturally become highly resistant to these normal muscle-building signals, and they require a significantly stronger and faster dose of leucine to wake up. Arnold was flooding his exhausted muscles with this exact rapid hit of complete protein at a time when medical experts still doubted the value of protein supplements. Today, we have the undeniable clinical proof that his crude strategy was biologically flawless. Researchers at the McMaster University Department of Kinesiology conducted rigorous, double-blind, randomized, controlled trials on older adults to prove this point. They discovered that whey protein supplementation during resistance training significantly augments and preserves lean body mass in aging populations. Their data showed measurable and impressive improvements in absolute muscle mass and physical strength when compared directly to alternative protein sources. For a senior citizen, adding a single scoop of high-quality modern whey protein into this blender mixture is an absolute requirement for success. It provides the heavy dose of leucine necessary to break through the anabolic resistance that plagues older muscle tissue. Everything else in this historical recipe exists to support and amplify the heavy lifting that the whey protein performs inside your cells. It is the architectural foundation of the entire recovery process. This brings us to the ultimate secret of the Arnold cocktail. Number 1, the Austrian alchemist, preparation and the schnapps splash. The exact order in which you blend these historical ingredients matters significantly more than most people would ever realize. You must start by pouring the liquid tart cherry juice into the blender first, because this protects the spinning metal blades and ensures a smooth vortex. You then drop the heavily spotted ripe banana into the spinning red liquid so it can break down completely without leaving any dense chunks behind. The pasteurized whole liquid eggs go in next to bind the water and the fruit together with their rich, natural fats. You finally drop the scoop of whey protein powder right into the center of the active vortex to prevent the powder from aggressively clumping to the dry sides of the glass jar. This precise sequence produces a perfectly smooth shake that delivers fast-absorbing carbohydrates, complete structural proteins, crucial healthy fats, and powerful natural anti-inflammatory compounds all simultaneously. You are successfully covering every single major post-exercise recovery requirement in one delicious and highly efficient glass. But we must now discuss the legendary final touch that makes this shake unmistakably and irreplaceably connected to Arnold himself. Arnold has famously mentioned adding a very small splash of strong Austrian schnapps directly into the blender before taking the final drink. He often explained with his characteristic confident humor that the alcohol actually helps the rich protein enter the human bloodstream much more rapidly. Whether or not the modern clinical science fully supports that specific physiological claim is entirely beside the point. It is a wildly authentic historical detail that perfectly fits a powerful man who was raised in the rugged Austrian countryside. In that specific rural culture, drinking a small glass of strong schnapps immediately after a day of brutal physical labor was simply what hard-working men did to relax their nervous system. You certainly do not have to add the alcohol to experience the massive physical benefits of this incredible nutritional protocol today. The true magic lies in the dense combination of the cherries, the banana, the whole eggs, and the high-quality whey protein. This mixture is a piece of living history from the man who completely redefined what a physically powerful body over the age of 50 could actually look like. Your body possesses an incredible ability to rebuild itself when you finally provide it with the right historical tools. Stay strong and keep moving, and we will see you in the very next video.